Hi, in this form, we will learn how to use checkboxes. To create a checkbox, we first need to have a Boolean variable. Go to AI configuration, attributes and config, attribute creation, navigate to AI action form, AI action form single variable, add new variable, select Boolean, again, since it's Boolean data type, please suffix it with BLN. Go ahead, click on Save. Now navigate back to the form. Here, click on Edit. Under Form Elements, go to Form. Pick a checkbox. Place it here. Click on Properties. We have a tiny label there for it. Go to Variables, Connection Card. Here, from the drop-down, select AI Action Form, Single Variable. Select a Boolean variable. Now, this checkbox is attached with this Boolean variable. You can go back to Properties, click on Set Condition, type console.log, type this Boolean, place it here, click on Save. Make sure your console is clear. Then click on Preview. As you know, checkboxes are usually used for yes or no, true, false kind of questions. And since we have connected this, attach this to a Boolean variable. When you click here and it is true, it prints out the value true. If I uncheck it, it will print out the value false. Let's see it true and then false. Thank you.